Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. The polymer chapter next continuation is biodegradable polymers. Biodegradable polymers. Now this is the polymer. This pen is a polymer marker. After using this, I will throw outside. Then if you come after few years, maybe 20 years or 30 years, this will be remain outside, not degraded into this in environment. If leaves fall down or any garbage, that will be biodegraded and it is combined along with the soil. But this polymer or polythene cover also consider. This polythene covers, if you throw outside, this will be not easily degraded. That's why nowadays all countries are maximum banned this using of polythene cover, but also still we are using those. So this is social awareness. We have to follow the rules and regulation. If don't know the other people, you have to educate them. Always use the cotton bags for carrying anything. So these are not degraded. If long time these are accumulate in the environment and it causes some pollution, therefore don't use the polymers, polythene bags or anything which is not degraded. Therefore now new research developing that biodegradable polymers. So in our body also some polymers are there, DNA, RNA, next proteins and what you call starch, cellulose. So whatever the functional group present in the natural polymer, such functional group we are using in this synthesis of biodegradable polymer. If same functional group if you use nearly, then they can degrade into the soil and it is useful for us. If not degraded, then that wastage will be increased. And one thing you may be heard, when 2000 year is introduced, 1999 completed and 2000 is there, that time that computers are somewhat changed. That is called Y2K, you maybe know that. So somewhat program changed. So that old computers are all thrown out and then new computers. So that is also one of the polymer wastage, that is they are not degraded, still that is waste accumulation. That's why nowadays phone we are using maximum 1-2 years, again there is no use, again we are purchasing new phones, then again polymer wastage is increasing. That's why iPhones are nowadays they are marketing like this, they are not giving earphones, they are not giving the which one charges, because of for environmental issues. For them environmental issues, for us money is important. So like this also awareness they are creating. So you also create awareness to the your surrounding people, very important. That's why nowadays this all corona issues came due to this. We are not following rules and regulation. So try to follow and protect the environment. Now biodegradable polymer. So one of the biodegradable polymer is PHBV. PHBV. Sometimes they may ask expand the PHBV. PHBV means what is that? Poly beta hydroxy butyrate co beta hydroxy valerate. If you write this, one more question sometime they may ask for board level, poly beta hydroxy butyrate co beta hydroxy valerate. Valerate mean valerate or valeric acid, valeryl alcohol word come in this having the 5 carbon up to this one. 8 mean ester. 8 mean what is that? O8, like this word mean ester. Val mean 5 carbons. Valeric acid, valeryl alcohol, valeryl acid, like this word is there mean 5 carbon. But mean how much? 4 carbon. Okay. So now this is 2 monomers are there. One is 3-hydroxy butyric acid and 3-hydroxy valeric acid. So it is which one? PHBV is copolymer. Which one this is? Copolymer and biodegradable polymer. So carefully observe now. You know that acid C double bond OH. This is functional group. Next carbon is which one? Alpha. Next carbon is which one? Beta. So at this position we have which one? Hydrox. 1, 2, 3. Next 4. Total how many carbon? 4 carbon. Now this is CH3. 1, 2, 3 is there. Therefore here CH. 1, 2. Then here CH2. What is the name of this one? Beta. This is functional group. This is alpha. This is beta. Beta hydroxy. Beta hydroxy butyric acid. This is common name. Butyric acid common name. Otherwise 3 hydroxy. 1, 2, 3. This is 4. So 3 hydroxy butanoic acid. This is IUPAC name. This is combined with how many carbons are there? Functional group. Next carbon alpha, next carbon beta. Then here 1, 2, 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is beta hydroxy valeric. Valeric mean what is it? 5. Valeric acid. This common name. IUPAC name what is it? 3 hydroxy pentanoic acid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 hydroxy pentanoic acid. Use this number, otherwise you will confuse. Okay, this chain. 3 hydroxy pentanoic acid. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is N time taken. This is also N time taken. Water molecule loss minus NH2. How? Generally acid OH, alcohol H only. This is repeated I am telling here. Here OH, here H also water molecule loss, but that is not the correct method. Here H, here OH. Here OH loss mean here not OH because this alcohol group now. Before that what I told, OH mean OH loss, H mean H loss because that is same functional group. Now same functional group not there here. Here carboxylic is there, here alcohol is there. So here OH loss mean here H. Here H loss mean here which is loss? OH loss. Now combined form right. Bond O CH CH3 CH2 C double bond O, next O, next CH CH2 CH3 and then CH2 C double bond O bond taken En. This is PHBV. Co word used because this is copolymer. In this poly word is a polymer. Beta hydroxy butyrate, beta hydroxy valerate. Co word used because of copolymer. Okay. So don't forget this. Sometimes they are asking the what is the PHBV polymer structure. What is the monomer mean? These two monomers. Important. First importance in this chapter which one? Vulcanization. Second importance PHBV. Third importance monomer names. Okay. Next uses. Used in specialty package orthopedic devices and controlled releasing drugs or medicines. Now you maybe know that some tablets are like a tube. In there some small granules will be there, color granules. Actually it is closed. If you take, then also your disease or whatever the some irregularity is there, that is cure because that will be breakdown. Then only that medicine release into our body and it attack to the target molecule. Okay. So actually that is look like which one? Plastic. Plastic we know that not degraded, but that is degraded because this PHBB. Okay. So by enzymatic reaction that polymer will be easily degraded because that polymer having the functional group similar to those are naturally biodegradable polymer. Okay. So orthopedic devices, for example, due to accident or something, this bone may be fractures, maybe leg or hands, then they are using some material for stabilizing these bones. After few days, some are maybe rods using that, again we have to do operation and you have to remove, but some are automatically they will be degrade into the body and normally that mass will be grow. And some way you may observe that for operation they are using the some threads, they are also some are biodegraded, they are all polymers. Okay. And one more polymer is there, that is nylon to nylon 6 polymer. Nylon to nylon 6 polymer. Nylon to nylon 6 mean nylon what when we are using? Amide bond is present. Amide bond is there compulsory? Nylon. This 2, 6 indicating what is that? Carbon numbers. So this is we know, nylon 6. This is we don't know. Just you know in biomolecule chapter in your biology, that is called amino acids, maybe heard this word. Except glycine, remaining all amino acids are optically active, only one is optically inactive, that is glycine. You will learn in our chemistry also is there biomolecule chapter. Glycine formula is like this: NH2 CH2 C double bond OOH. This is called glycine. What do you call this is? Glycine. Here carbon having 2 hydrogens same, 4 groups are different than chiral carbon. Here no chiral carbon is there, therefore optically inactive. This is N time taken and here also N time. Which one taken here now? NH2. I want to write separate for your understanding purpose. CH2 taken 5 C double bond OOH. This already we studied in nylon 6. This is called caproic acid. What do you call this is? Caproic acid. Now this also separate we can write better, otherwise same write also no problem, but understanding purpose. Water molecule loss minus NH2. How it loss? Here H and here OH. Here H loss mean here which is loss now? Here which is loss? H. Now whatever the left, that is only right now bond NH and CH2C double bond O. Next NH CH2 taken 5 C double bond O, bond taken N. This is taken N. Now observe here, this is which bond? This is amide bond. That's why here how many carbons are there? 2. Here how many carbons are there? 6. 5 plus 1 6. This nylon to nylon 6. This is also biodegradable polymer. So you have to remember these uses. One time this question asked in the PUC level also, in all competitive exam level, what is the PHBB, what is the uses in special packaging purpose, and next orthopedic device and control releasing medicines or drugs. Okay. So with this biodegradable polymers also completed. The last part is molecular mass of polymer. Molecular mass of polymer or molar mass of polymer. See, in molar mass of polymer, this is homopolymer or copolymer? This is copolymer. Now here how much number is there? N. Yes or no? N can be 10, here N can be 20 or 30. So the molar mass of this polymer is depend on how much monomers we are using. Sometimes we are using 20-20 or 20-30 or 40-40, 50-50, how much available, that much we are using. So less number is there, less molar mass, more number is there, more molar mass. So exactly not, we cannot tell the molar mass. Therefore, what we have to express the molar mass of polymer? Average molar mass. So now molar mass of polymer. Molar mass of polymer is how it is expressed, average molar mass. This is expressed in one mn bar, second one is mw bar. Mn bar, mw bar. Mn bar is number, average molecular mass. This is W mean what is that? Weight, average molecular mass. Generally, this molar mass calculation is physical method also is there, chemical method also is there. Some are scattering methods, mean physical methods. There is no chemical interaction. Whatever do in physics, that is maximum physical. That's why by some scattering methods are there. Another one is some chemical method. Same you will know in the second year only in solution chapter. Molar mass of any compound we can determine by some colligative properties are there. One is relative lowering vapor pressure. Another one is depression in freezing point, elevation in boiling point, osmotic pressure. So generally this polymer's molar mass is calculated by osmotic pressure. So chemical method is which one? Chemical method are physical methods used for calculation of molar mass, right? Molar mass, otherwise complete, right? Molar mass of polymer. Example, osmotic pressure method, and some scattering methods, light scattering. Okay. So first we will discuss about the Mn bar. Mn bar. Mn bar is what is that? Number average molar mass or molecular mass. Average meaning what is that in mathematics? Average meaning. Now we are calculating mass. Then average how to express? Total mass by total number of particles. Yes or no? So total mass how to calculate? Now we have the different monomers. So see, Mn bar is total mass. Total mass how to calculate? Now we have A and we have B considered. A are 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash dash. Ith component dash dash ith component consider. First one component is N1 number 1. Number 1 molar mass is M1. Therefore, both multiplied. This is the mass of this one. For example, this classroom, how many? 4 members are there considered. Total mass of the classroom, what is there? First member mass 20, 1 into 20. Second member mass 2 into 40. Like this. Total add, there is a total mass. So first one mass plus second one mass, number into, because this first one monomer may be number of are there, like this First one type 10 are there, second one type 30 are there. Like this also possible. That's what is multiplied. Then n2, sorry, 3 plus dash 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 plus ni mi. This is the total mass. It is present in numerator. Denominator, what is that? Total number. So what is the total number? n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus dash 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 plus ni. This is a formula. So there is some mathematics, if you know directly you can write, there is no much difficulty. This is only expressed in the form of summation of what we can write, ni mi by here n equal to 1 to ith. Denominator summation of n equal to 1 to ith. Okay, this is, they may use this one or this one. You have to remember this formula, very important. Maximum cases they will write this one only. You have to remember for mn bar formula. Okay, mn bar formula. Next one is mw bar. Second one is mw bar. So mw bar is, what is it? Weight average molecular mass. Then here also average word is there. Here also average. But this is somewhat different. What is the difference you observe here? Numerator, what is there here? n1 m1 is there. But here its weight is again multiplied here. Weight is multiplied. n1 m1 square. m1 into m1 square plus n2 m2 into m2 square. Only weight is multiplied here. n3 m3 square plus dash 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 ni mi square. Now this is number based average. This is which one? Weight based average. Then denominator is not number here, weight only again. Got the point? Which one this is? Weight average. Weight average means this mass is multiplied with its mass. Therefore, now if you write this is n1 m1. If n1 m1 and this same is there, the total cancel, because total by this total cancel. That's why what they did, mass is multiplied here. Okay. Then this is n2 m2. Here not multiplied, only same. This is mass only. This is also mass. That's why it is weight average. This is number average. Plus n3 m3 plus dash dash ni mi. Then what we can write the formula till now? Summation of ni mi square n equal to 1 to ith component. Then here summation of ni mi n equal to 1 to ith component. This is weight average molecular weight formula. Weight average molecular weight formula. Now last one is PDI, polydispersity index. Polydispersity index. Polydispersity index. What is the polydispersity index? PDI is equal to mw bar by mn bar. If they ask in board level what is the definition of PDI, then what you will write? It is the ratio of weight average molar mass to the number average molar mass. If you want, note down the definition. It is a ratio of weight average molecular mass to the number average molecular mass. Generally this PDI range is 1 to 1.5. 1 to 1.5. Natural polymers PDI nearly equal to 1. Natural polymer PDI is nearly equal to 1. That time this can be represented as MW bar by Mn bar is equal to 1. Otherwise, MW bar is equal to Mn bar. Yes or no? Next, synthetic polymers. Synthetic polymers. Synthetic polymer PDI is greater than 1. Greater than 1. Then what we can write? MW bar by Mn bar is greater than 1. That time MW bar is greater than Mn bar. Okay, but the polymers, those are synthesized, their PDI nearly equal to 1 are synthesized, they are better one. So polymers are synthesized, those are having PDI nearly equal to 1. Note on that point, those are having PDI nearly equal to 1, that polymers are synthesized. PDI nearly equal to 1, that polymers are synthesized. With this, each and every concept in the polymer chapter is completed, and this is only for competitive, this is only for board level. Only thing we have to practice the objective things. Thank you.